You're going to need to get a little basket just for all your stuffed animals. Here, Kels.
What is it?
What is this? What is it? A moose?
No.
Yes, it is.
Eat you.
It's going to get you?
No.
No.
Kels, say cheese. Kelsey, look it. Look it.
Look, Kels. Look it. It's a big blankie. Okay, watch. Okay? Look it.
Mommy's a moose. Arr.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy, she's a moose.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Look at Kels. Kels, look.
Look at Daddy.
Look.
Cheese.
Hey.
Here, you put your arms in here. Put your other arm in here. And wrap yourself up.
Look it. Say cheese.
Cheese. What?
Kels.
Watch. Look at Daddy. Say cheese.
Ouch.
Hey.
You don't want your arms in, but you wrap you up like a moose. Look at Daddy.
Cheese.
Where you going, moose? Kels, look it. Look at Daddy.
Ouch.
What are you?
Moose.
You're a moose.
Yeah.
Moose.
Do you like it?
No.
You don't?
No.
Where are we going? You want to go look in the mirror?
Yeah.
Silly moose. Kels, look it. Get with Mommy.
Peace. Meow, meow.
Yeah, we're going to go look in the mirror.